Hi folks, good to be with you once again. I'm meteorologist Miguel Montoya from the One News Weather Center. Your weather forecast is being brought to you by your Bud Clary Toyota dealers. Toyota, let's go places. Let's check out the headlines making news. It was a cold one out there today, also windy, and we will hang on to the mid-like winter temperatures over the next handful of days, if not even longer. Winds will begin to relax by tonight between 5 to maybe 15 miles per hour tonight into Wednesday, but with overnight lows falling back into the 10 to 15 degree range overnight, that knocks our wind chill values near, if not a few degrees below zero. So bundle up as you head out the door to school or work once again on Wednesday morning. A reinforcing shot of cold air works its way into the northwestern U.S. as we head into Friday and this weekend. It wasn't terribly cold today, just windy. Temperatures this morning were at 24 in Ephrata, which is near normal for this time of year. It was also seasonably cold this afternoon with similar conditions in Moses Lake. You woke up to temperatures in the low to mid 20s. That's near normal. Made it into the middle 30s this afternoon. The cold air, at least the Arctic air, arrives tonight. We are already down into the lower 20s. The dew point is at 5, so a very dry air mass. You will need to get those humidifiers going over the next couple of days with this bone dry air mass in place. A northerly wind between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Winds not as gusty as we head into tonight, so that combined with clear skies overhead will allow for temperatures to plummet into the lower teens across our area. So as far as stormy weather, not a problem over the next couple of days across our states and the Columbia Basin. Just the unseasonably cold air, cold afternoons, and dangerously cold each night with temperatures falling back into the single digits. Now this computer model does show some cloudiness and moisture working its way into our states by Thursday. I think it will actually remain offshore and then come in south of us. Once that clears the region on Friday, a reinforcing shot of cold air moves in for Friday and this upcoming weekend. Your forecast for Wednesday, 30s along coastal areas and along the Yakima Valley. Otherwise, 20s across the rest of our states, including the Tri-Cities and along the Columbia Basin. I think these temperatures might be a couple of degrees too warm. We will probably only top off in the low to mid 20s. Overnight lows tonight, somewhere in the 10 to 15 degree range. Otherwise, I think our overnight lows over the next several days will be in the single digits and only in the 20s for highs. Maybe stormy by the time next Tuesday into Wednesday rolls around. Well, folks, your weather forecast was brought to you by your Bud Clary Toyota dealers. Toyota, let's go places. We'll be right back with sports.